Gentlemen, we are here at the Rainbow Towers where we are having an ICT workshop 2014 being sponsored by ZTE. And today with me here, I'm with Jean King Yang, who is the Integrated Solution Department Manager. Welcome, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, sir, our viewers who are out there, they want to know who is ZTE? Who is ZTE? Can you just tell them?
Okay. ZTE is a Chinese state-owned company. It's a traditionally telecom equipment provider. We have been here in Zimbabwe for more than 13 years. We have done a lot of business. We contributed a lot to the Zimbabwe's economic development. We have more than 150 employees here, and we have more than 80 local employees. So basically, we provided some telecommunication solutions to our clients here. But now we are targeting to provide more solutions to the government. So basically, on the development of the ICT technologies, we want that this type of content should be aware by the Zimbabwe people. So we organized this workshop.
Okay, sorry. Basically, what was the purpose of this workshop? Maybe our viewers want to know what was the purpose of this workshop.
Okay, talking about this workshop, we want to introduce the latest technologies to Zimbabwe government, because according to our research, in some field we are not so well developed. Just like in the presentation, I talked about the e-government construction status currently in Zimbabwe. It is quite in a leading position for Zimbabwe in Eastern African countries. But talking about the globally, it is only ranked number 133. So I think there is a big space we need to catch. We need to move from the improvement stage to the interaction stage, and furthermore, in the future, we can migrate to the smart government in the future.
Okay, for maybe they want to know, or viewers want to know, for how long have you been here in Zimbabwe?
For me, I have been here for more than...
As ZTE.
ZTE, yeah. You have been here for more than 13 years. Yeah. 13 years.
Okay. Right. Yes, you've said you've been here for more than 13 years, but it seems as if the product that you're offering, or the solutions that you're trying to offer, some of us, some of our viewers, and some of us ourselves, we are not very much aware of ZTE. What's the problem behind it? Is it the marketing strategy, or there are some challenges that are behind it?
Talking about this point is, previously we were doing this telecommunication field. It is quite a professional one. We are doing the business. We use Tel1, Net1, PowerTel, and Econet, some operators like this. Okay, we are doing business with these famous operators all over the world, including MTN, Airtel, okay, all this. And in this field, it's quite professional. So according to the strategies, we are not, we didn't, introduce us, ZTE, to the public. But now we are ready. We are ready to, to introduce us to the public. Okay, so that's all the solutions we want to provide to the government and to the enterprise or to other, firms should be well known by the people. So that's we can make the people of Zimbabwe to know that ZTE, we are doing something here. Not only for the telecommunication, we are doing something for the people now.
Yeah, your presentation was very motivational, and I think anyone would love to be part of ZTE, but to some of the presentation and the solutions that you're trying to bring in Zimbabwe, I've seen like the EID that you want to introduce.
Yes.
how are you going to do it, since the product seems like so complicated and there are a lot of resources maybe that are needed for it to be implemented? How are you going to do that? And again, in the education sector, like the educational kit that you've shown us, the wireless projector and stuff like that, how are you going to make the people accept your product, consider maybe the type that will come with the products?
Okay. For the EID solutions we talked about, we can start from some very simple start point. For example, we can start from the small field EID card, the national registration ID for the person. So in this part, we're not going to deploy some complicated system. It will be simple, a platform including hardware and software, and something Mr. Zhang Hai presented, a card printer and a card reader, a card printer. Okay, and we can print millions, tens of millions of cards to the people. Okay, and we can distribute all these card reader, maybe in the bus, in the taxi, or in the supermarket. But back to in the back, the system will be only one. Okay. So we are talking about some system not that complicated.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir, for your time, Mr. Joe. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you to you, all our viewers, for your time, for listening to our Technomag YouTube feeds. We hope to see you soon.